Hi there, Kevin McRae here at O'Connor Chrysler. Guess what? It's Wrangler season. These are my last 2022s I have in stock. One diesel, one in gas. Now is the time. These are $2,500 off. Take that money, use it for accessories, upgrade the wheels and tires. You're probably gonna anyway. I know I did on mine, but absolutely beautiful. You'll love driving these. Diesel with the 8-speed automatic or V6 gas with the 8-speed. Super fun, both are sports. These are fully loaded, so big screen, remote start, heated seats, heated steering wheel, so very, very nicely dressed vehicle for you. And there's nothing more fun to drive than a Wrangler. You live in the right part of the country, we're surrounded by all the roads you could ever go play on. Now's the time. I know you always wanted a Wrangler. Come see me down at O'Connor Chrysler. Remember, we are the home of no fees and also non-commissioned sales staff. Have a great one. Thanks for watching. Everything we do is driven by you.